Look at our temperature.
Maybe at the Rio, you can get the drink or something.
You can get the drink.
Yeah.
You can get the drink at the Rio. That is correct. And that's a lot more safe than a real hurricane.
Yeah, true.
83 degrees temperature. Calm conditions out there right now. Here's our week. Pretty much humdrum for us for the next few days. Sunny skies, hot. What else would you expect? And keep in mind, we're still in what would be normally monsoon season, where we get surges of moisture every once in a while. Kind of a weak surge setting up for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as moisture tries to move in from Arizona. Mountain shower chances with us in the slight category. Double-digit highs again for the weekend, but this time it's going to be with humidity. Some bad hair days for the weekend. We're dry into the weekend, but see those clouds. And also increased humidity with mountain shower chances, it looks like. By the end of the week, we'll get you posted throughout the week. Let's get you posted on traffic with Chris Brown.
And we're posting up right now, I-15 between Tropicana and Russell. Checking out traffic right now. This is the northbound traffic and southbound, both looking great. Again, no accidents reported on the freeways. Hey, I'm loving this. We're looking good on the 95 and the 215. Traffic around McCarran, no problems right now. Traffic around Nellis Air Force Base, still looking good. We have that one fender bender downtown. This is at 3rd and Bridger. Not really causing any backups right now. So again, overall, things are looking great. I'm Chris Brown with Fox 5 Traffic Solutions.
All right, Chris, thanks a lot. Well, thanks to Twilight and True Blood, vampires are